Do you have cracks in your concrete or concrete that's settling or heaving? Do you no longer want to be tripping or stepping on cracks that might be breaking your mother's back? You deserve to have perfect concrete, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to tell if you have a problem with your concrete or not. Hi, my name is Justin with Dalinghaus Construction. In this video, you will learn about how to spot concrete damages, what are concrete repairs, and how much it costs, and if it's the right solution for your problem. Concrete is expensive, and instead of removing damaged concrete and replacing it, you can fix it with several different options. Here at Dalinghaus Construction, we use polyurethane injections, crack repair, and removal and replacement to fix concrete. Polyurethane injections are best for misaligned concrete, garage slabs, soil densifications, and sinkholes or plumbing leak repairs. There are a few different types of crack repairs. There's gravity-fed crack repair, and this is a type of repair that's typically performed when a slab is cracked, but has no further signs of continued movement or settlement. Number 2 is carbon fiber crack repair. This repair is similar to a gravity-fed method, but we add carbon fiber staples inserted into the concrete perpendicular to the crack, spread every 12 to 18 inches. This is used where there is a sign that there may be some movement in the future. Number 3 is polyurethane crack repair. This repair is performed when the concrete has a strong potential to have continued movement. The polyurethane allows for the crack to be filled, but also allows for flexibility and prevents additional intrusion, whether it be water or insects. Concrete repair is for everyone who has uneven, cracked, lifted, or sinking concrete slabs. If you don't have concrete or have concrete issues, you will not be a good fit for concrete repairs. If you are having concrete issues, please contact us. It's almost always better to get it repaired sooner rather than later. If you wait to get it repaired, you could have more damage and increased cost of repairs, primarily due to the increased damage and more product needing to be used. It may even get so bad that the only repair option is removal and replacement. The cost of concrete repair is usually in the ballpark of about $2,500 to $5,000 with a starting price for polyurethane injections. Concrete replacement costs can double or even triple due to the fluctuating prices for concrete and increased time, labor, and resources. If you feel you need a repair, contact us. Free evaluations are always available for homeowners. Now that you know if you need a concrete repair, please take a look at our other blogs and videos. We even have a video that takes a deep dive into the price of concrete repairs, if you'd like to check that out. If you would like to move forward and get an evaluation done on your property, please click the link below, or you can call us directly at 877-360-9227. After you do either of these, you'll be placed with one of our project design specialists within 48 business hours. From there, they'll set up a day and a time to do a free inspection on your property. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned more about concrete repairs today. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us directly.